Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw credits from Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log in or register to Foodpanda to complete your account. Now that we got that out of the way guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the top left corner, we have your address and the search bar. And in the bottom of the screen, we have the home, shops, search, and the account tabs. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw credits from Foodpanda. So basically what you firstly need to do is go and click on the bottom right corner on the account tab. When you click on the account tab, here, what you need to do then is, as you can see, you have underneath your name, you have the cashback and payment methods, where you can go and click on. And here, when it loads, you'll have all the information and everything about your money. You'll have your credit card, your cashback, your withdrawal credits, and everything in one place about money. At the moment, my credit card is not working, so that is why this is empty for me. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.